Overcoming your inner critic, challenging negative thoughts. Hello, dear learners. Today we are going to talk about an essential part of managing stage fright and anxiety in public speaking, and that's challenging negative thoughts. Yes, those little voices in our heads that sometimes hold us back from performing at our best. Let's learn how to challenge them and make way for a confident, assertive you. Negative thoughts, also known as cognitive distortions, often exaggerate reality or impose a negative bias on our perceptions and experiences. These thoughts might say things like, "I'm going to fail," "everyone will laugh at me," or "I'm not good enough." But remember, thoughts are not facts. And today, we'll learn how to fight back. The first step in challenging negative thoughts is to identify them. Pay attention to your internal dialogue, especially when you're feeling anxious about speaking in public. Write these thoughts down. Recognizing these negative thoughts is the first step in taking control. Once you've identified these thoughts, it's time to challenge them. This process is called cognitive restructuring. Ask yourself, is this thought based on facts? Or is it just my fear talking? Look for evidence that contradicts the negative thought. If you're thinking, "I always mess up," remember the times you succeeded. Now that we've identified and challenged our negative thoughts, it's time to replace them with positive ones. Instead of thinking, "I'll mess up," you could think, "I'm prepared, and I'll do my best." Positive affirmations can be powerful tools to boost your self-esteem and reduce your public speaking anxiety. Remember, changing thought patterns is a process that takes time and practice. Be patient with yourself and make it a point to challenge your negative thoughts regularly. The more you practice, the better you will become at managing your thoughts and your stage fright. That's it for today's video on challenging negative thoughts in public speaking. Remember, thoughts are not facts, and you have the power to control your inner dialogue. Keep practicing these strategies, and you'll see a remarkable improvement in your public speaking skills. Until next time, keep learning, and stay positive.